As we move into 2025, the world of 3D printing continues to evolve, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in design, engineering, and innovation. With advancements in technology, new materials, and improved software, 3D printers are becoming more accessible, precise, and efficient for both professionals and hobbyists. Whether you're looking for a printer to bring your creative projects to life, enhance your business operations, or dive into industrial-grade manufacturing, the top 3D printers for 2025 offer a range of options to suit every need. In this guide, we'll explore the best of the best. Machines that stand out for their exceptional performance, cutting-edge features, and versatility. Let's dive in and discover the top 5 3D printers that are setting the standard for 2025. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro is a high-performance 3D printer designed for both professionals and enthusiasts seeking speed, precision, and versatility. Priced at $600, it offers exceptional value considering its advanced features and capabilities. This printer boasts a build volume of 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, accommodating a wide range of projects. Its Core XY all-metal frame ensures stability during high-speed movements, while the direct drive extruder supports a variety of filaments, including PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, ASA, PLA-CF, and PETG-CF. The extruder reaches temperatures up to 280 degrees Celsius, and the heated bed can go up to 110 degrees Celsius, facilitating optimal adhesion and print quality. One of the standout features is its maximum print speed of 600 millimeters per second and acceleration up to 20,000 millimeter per square second, enabling rapid production without compromising detail. The printer also includes a quick release nozzle system, allowing for easy maintenance and nozzle swaps. For user convenience, the Adventurer 5M Pro comes with auto leveling, a 4.3-inch touchscreen, and remote monitoring capabilities via the Flashmaker app. Safety is prioritized with a dual filtration system, HEPA H13 and activated carbon, to reduce airborne particles and VOCs. Additional features include filament runout detection, power loss recovery, and a magnetic PEI build plate for easy print removal. In summary, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro combines speed, precision, and user-friendly features, making it a top choice for those seeking a reliable and efficient 3D printing solution. Sovol T500. The Sovol T500 3D printer is a high-performance FDM machine designed for professionals and enthusiasts seeking large-scale printing capabilities. Priced at $1,000, it offers a compelling balance of speed, precision, and versatility. With an impressive build volume of 500 by 500 by 500 millimeters, the T500 accommodates substantial projects and batch productions. It features a direct drive extruder with a 6.5 to 1 gear ratio, enabling high flow rates up to 25 millimeters cubed per second and consistent extrusion. The all-metal Hotend reaches temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing compatibility with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, PETG, TPU, PETG-CF, carbon fiber, and wood. Equipped with industrial-grade linear rails on all axes, the T500 ensures smooth and precise movements, reducing friction and enhancing print quality. The dual Y and Z axis motors contribute to stable and accurate printing processes. Its 49-point auto leveling system guarantees optimal first layer adhesion, while the Clipper firmware and 7-inch touchscreen provide an intuitive user interface and remote control capabilities via Wi-Fi. Assembly is straightforward, with 95% pre-assembly, allowing users to set up the printer in approximately 15 minutes. Additional features include LED lighting on the Hotend for low light monitoring, and a 600 watts Meanwell power supply for reliable performance. In summary, the Sovol T500 3D printer combines expansive build volume, rapid printing speeds, and robust construction, making it a valuable tool for large-scale and high-quality 3D printing projects. Creality K1 Max. The Creality K1 Max is a high-performance 3D printer designed for professionals and enthusiasts seeking speed, precision, and smart features. Priced at $899 US, it offers exceptional value considering its advanced capabilities. This printer boasts a 300 by 300 by 300 mm build volume, accommodating a wide range of projects. Its Core XY motion system and lightweight 190 grams print head enable rapid movements with reduced inertia, achieving a maximum print speed of 600 mm per second and acceleration up to 20,000 mm per square second. The 32 mm cubed per second max flow hotend supports high-speed printing without compromising quality. Equipped with AI-assisted LiDAR, the K1 Max scans the first layer with 1 micrometer resolution, automatically pausing and alerting users to any issues. The AI camera monitors for print failures, foreign objects, and debris, providing real-time alerts and time-lapse recording. The printer also features hands-free auto-leveling, a 4.3-inch color touchscreen, and remote monitoring capabilities via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Constructed with a rigid die-cast aluminum alloy frame, the K1 Max ensures stability during high-speed printing, delivering consistent and high-quality results. Additional features include a magnetic PEI build plate for easy print removal and a ceramic heater that reaches 200 degrees Celsius in 40 seconds. In summary, the Creality K1 Max combines speed, intelligence, and reliability, making it a top choice for those seeking a cutting-edge 3D printing solution. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo. The Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo is a cutting-edge FDM 3D printer that combines speed, precision, and multicolor capabilities in a compact, enclosed design. Priced at $650, it offers exceptional value for both hobbyists and professionals seeking high-quality, efficient printing. Featuring a 250 by 250 by 250 mm build volume, the Kobra S1 Combo utilizes a Core XY motion system to achieve impressive print speeds of up to 600 mm per second, with a recommended speed of 300 mm per second for optimal results. Its maximum acceleration of 20,000 mm per square second ensures rapid yet precise movements, reducing overall print times. The printer's all-metal hotend can reach temperatures up to 320 degrees Celsius, accommodating a wide range of filaments, including PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, and ASA. A standout feature is its multicolor printing capability. The included Ace Pro unit supports 4-color printing, and by adding a second Ace Pro, users can expand to 8-color printing, enabling more vibrant and complex models. The AC Pro also functions as an integrated filament dryer, maintaining optimal filament conditions during printing. The Kobra S1 Combo is equipped with a LeviQ 3.0 automatic bed leveling, a 4.3-inch capacitive touchscreen, and AI-powered spaghetti detection to identify and mitigate print failures. Additional features include power loss recovery, filament runout detection, and a built-in 480p camera for remote monitoring and time-lapse recording. Operating at a quiet 44 decibels, the printer ensures a pleasant working environment. Its quick-release hotend design allows for easy maintenance and nozzle swaps, supporting various nozzle sizes: 0.2 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, and 0.8 mm. The enclosed chamber enhances print quality, especially when working with temperature-sensitive materials. In summary, the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo offers a comprehensive suite of features that cater to both novice and experienced users, making it a versatile and reliable choice for diverse 3D printing projects. Creality K2+ Combo. The Creality K2+ Combo 3D printer is a powerhouse designed for professionals and hobbyists seeking large format, multicolor printing capabilities. Priced at $1,455, it offers a substantial 350 by 350 by 350 mm build volume, making it ideal for large-scale projects like cosplay props and prototypes. This printer supports up to 16-color printing through 4 Creality filament systems, with one CFS unit included. Its dual-geared direct drive extruder and 0.4mm nozzle can handle various filaments, including PLA, ABS, PETG, PACF, and more, at temperatures up to 350 degrees Celsius. The heated chamber reaches 60 degrees Celsius, ensuring optimal conditions for high-performance materials. Equipped with intelligent features, the K2 Plus combo includes dual AI cameras for real-time monitoring and calibration, a 4.3 inches color touchscreen, and a 32 gigabytes eMMC for ample file storage. Connectivity options like USB, Ethernet, and dual-band Wi-Fi enhance usability. Additional features such as auto bed leveling, filament runout detection, and an air purifier contribute to a seamless printing experience. With its robust matrix frame, active belt tensioning, and high-speed capabilities, up to 600 mm per second with 30,000 mm per square second acceleration, the K2 Plus combo delivers precision and efficiency. Its compatibility with Creality Print 5.0 software and support for multiple languages make it a versatile choice for diverse users. Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo is an exceptional entry-level 3D printer that combines affordability, speed, and advanced features, making it ideal for beginners and hobbyists. Priced at approximately $390, it offers a comprehensive package that includes the AMS light system for multicolor printing. With a build volume of 180 by 180 by 180 millimeters, the A1 Mini Combo is compact yet capable. Its all-metal hodent can reach temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, and the stainless steel nozzle supports diameters of 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, and 0.8 millimeters. The printer achieves speeds up to 500 millimeters per second with an acceleration of 10,000 millimeter per square second, ensuring rapid and precise prints. The AMS light system enables 4-color printing, enhancing creative possibilities. The printer supports materials like PLA, PETG, TPU, and PVA, though it's not recommended for ABS, ASA, PC, or carbon glass fiber reinforced polymers. Features such as automatic bed leveling, active flow rate compensation, and motor noise cancellation contribute to a seamless printing experience. Additional functionalities include a low frame rate monitoring camera supporting time-lapse, filament runout and tangle sensors, power loss recovery, and filament odometry. The printer comes pre-assembled, requiring only about 20 minutes to set up. Its compact dimensions, 347 by 315 by 365 millimeters, and a lightweight design, 5.5 kilograms, make it suitable for various workspaces. In summary, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo offers a robust set of features at an accessible price point, making it a compelling choice for those entering the world of 3D printing.